What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the lowest possible input delay on PC. So I think this will mainly help you if you're on keyboard and mouse on like a competitive game, and also depending on your PC specs there are different settings that you'll want to use. So with that we'll get started with, so I'll introduce what I'm going to be showing you how to do real quick. So I'm going to go into Task Manager and show you this process that manages uh, the mouse and keyboard on Windows. I'm not 100%, I don't know if it manages the controller, so I'm just gonna say mouse and keyboard. So see, on priority this is set to real time right now. It's the highest priority and it ensures that I get the lowest input delay. But unfortunately it's not an easy thing to set, and it's actually locked down in Windows. So you can't actually set this unless you do some sneaky registry edit tweaks that are pretty easy to do. So I'll just show you how to do them real quick. So you're going to want to open Registry Editor, open, then you're going to want to go to this spot in Registry Editor, computer slash backslash H key local machine backslash, wait, is that backslash? Oh yeah. Software backslash Microsoft backslash Windows NT backslash CurrentVersion backslash image file execution options. So once you have that all typed in, it should send you to this thing right here. It'll open up this file and everything, and now this right here, these two things right here, they won't be here to begin with. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to new and then add a new key, and you're gonna call that exactly CSRSS.exe. Now once you have the key added, you're gonna want to add another key. So you're gonna have new, then so for this you wanna do new key, add the CSRSS, and then for this you wanna do new key, and this key will directly apply to the CSRSS.exe process, and you're gonna call that perf options and spell it exactly like that. Now for this you're gonna want to just leave it blank, but for the perf options section you're gonna want to add two dword 32-bit value sections. One you're going to call it exactly CPU priority class, and the next one IO priority. Now it matters what you set these to, because otherwise it won't work if you have like the wrong name or whatever, because these are all controlling something. So for the CPU priority class, I don't even know if you need a second one, but I always have that there because the source I have made me add that. I don't know, but we'll see. So then what you're going to have to do is modify. So the value for real time is 4, which is the one I'm using. I have a pretty good system. I have a 4070 and a AM5 chip 7600, Ryzen 5 7600. So that's good enough to run the real time settings without too many issues, at least in Fortnite. And it probably should also not have any issues in any other competitive games. So I have a hexadecimal, set that to 4, and that turns it to real time. If you have issues with real time, then you can always lower the value to 3, which changes it to high priority, which is, I think, still a improvement over the normal priority that it's originally set at. But you can just mess around with this value a little bit between 4 and 3, and those will both be improvements, I think, over the default. And if this doesn't run at all, you're just going to want to set it to the value that applies to the default priority. So once you have that there, you're gonna do OK and then restart your computer, and then when you get back in you just check your task manager, and it should be looking like mine did when you go to CPU priority.